Drum roll. Right, morning and welcome to Harley Classics on this horrible frosty winter's morning. But something that will cheer you up should be this car. These cars are superb value for money at the minute. I'm sick to death of people dishing these cars down. Forget it. Because we're selling these cars. People are realising they've never been as cheap, never been as affordable, and this is the time to buy them. And this one especially, because I'm going to stand back and let you look at this car. That car is a pair of, is art on wheels. Basically what we've got here is a 1926 Standard Coventry, a really, really rare car. You take this to a car show, I guarantee you nobody else will have one there. Superb value for money. I'll wait till that jet's flown over the top. Right, it's gone. Superb value for money at the minute. Absolute bargain, this car. I'll show you around it quickly, but I want to start on the interior because this interior is really, really good. Look at it. It's in really superb condition. Plenty of room in there for 4 people. Nice summertime motoring. Absolutely great. You've got the wet gear in there, so you've got the sides for the hood. We'll move around to the front. We'll start with the bodywork. Bodywork on the car is really good. It's really solid. There's no rust or rot on the car. Paintwork, there's a little bit of micro blistering here and there. It's been restored a long time ago, so you're going to get that. But on the other side, it hasn't been restored yesterday, so you know it's not going to fall apart. Front of the car, straight away you're drawn to the radiator. Now we've just had this radiator rebuilt. Did have a problem with overheating, and you can't tell we've had modern cars put inside, but we have. So it's had a few £1,000 spent on the radiator. Moving round, wheels and tyres. Wheels and tyres are very, very good on it. Wheels have recently been refurbished, so they look lovely. Coming down the side of the car, how nice is this cut glass wind deflector? I don't know how much that would cost today to manufacture or to buy, but I'm sure it would be a lot of money. Again, very, very little play on the doors. You know, these will be wooden doors skinned with aluminium. Very little play on them. The hood is in superb condition. Absolutely brilliant vinyl hood there. There's a tiny couple of nicks on the other side at the sides, which I'll whip round here and show you. In fact, I don't know whether you can even see them. I think you've got to go on the inside to see them. Yeah, there's a little fault there. But that's about it. Engine wise, this car stood for months and months. Steel petrol in it. We got it, and I've actually got a video of it somewhere of it starting it. We didn't think it had a starting motor. We just thought it was handle start. We primed it, and we were just turning the handle over, just priming it, and all of a sudden it fired up. That's how good it is. You know. I'll show you the engine inside quickly. There's the engine. And no, it hasn't got the rocker cover off it. It's got exposed valve gear. And it's absolutely brilliant. It's mesmerising to watch actually when it starts up. So there's the little engine there, little 4-cylinder, probably producing, I don't know, 11 horse, 12 horse, something like that. So you're never going to break any speed records with it, but you know, that's what they are. Again, lovely, lovely entry level priced, proper classic car. And that's the thing at the minute, people can get into real vintage cars where, you know, 30 or 40 years ago, you couldn't afford them. This car was, you know, second hand was the price of a terraced house. Now, they're at that level now where you should be buying them and using them and putting them away as investments. Right, we'll start her up and let you hear her. like this video or any of the videos we do, please like and subscribe to the channel. Put the thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. It really does help. And like I say, it makes us want to go out there and find collectible, interesting cars and projects and all the other things we do. Bye bye now.